so late for work. I'm here 2 minutes late. I'm so late. No, I forgot my paper at home. I really needed it for work. Hey, what's wrong, May? I forgot my work paper at home. Oh. I can give you some paper so you can do a rough draft of your original. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me look in here. I just got this truck yesterday, and it practically has everything in it, so it should have paper in it. Oh, that's already been written on. Let me go see if I can find things. No, it's my original paper! How'd I get in your truck? I seriously have no idea. Anyways, thank you so much. No problem. You should probably get to work, shouldn't you? Yeah, that would be a good idea. I'm so sorry I'm so late. Well, it better not happen next time. Here's my paper. I designed it just how you said. It's okay, but you're missing the otter, and I told you to make it in greater detail. But you didn't say anything about otter. And this time you told me to do it in less detail than Excuse me? Did you question what I said? Well, of course I questioned, because you never even said anything about an otter or greater detail. You're fired. Fine. I wouldn't even want to work for a pet like you anyways. Ugh, how annoying. I'm guessing that didn't go so well, did it? No, not really. I don't suppose that you actually have anything on that truck that can give me a job, can you? Actually, I do. Huh? A business manager asked me if I wanted to work for their place, and they gave me this paper just in case this morning. You can have the paper since I don't need it. Wow, thank you so much, Twix. So I've heard that you have everything in your truck. Yeah, just about everything. Do you have an LPS in there? I can look. Here's an LPS. What about a chair? I don't know, I'll look. Yup. If you can fit a chair in there, you can fit a car in there. Are you asking me if there's a car in there? Yep. I don't think my truck has a car in it, but I'll look. Oh wow, this is crazy. I don't see anything yet. Oh wait, what's this back here? Okay, so I found that, but I didn't find a car. Oh wait, I think I see a car in the back there. Never mind, there's a car in there. Hey, Twix? Yeah? Have you seen my car? It's in my truck. Wait, what now? My car is in your truck? Can it even fit in there? Apparently. I found this in my truck. He has a point. Okay. Here's some lovely flowers for my girlfriend. Here's a giant phone for the random kid. And here's your paper to get you a new job. What is this? Oh yeah, and I almost forgot about you. And you can get rotten milk. Ew, disgusting! Yep, my truck has everything.